Hello, welcome to today's VTuber Open Q&A session. Today we're looking at a new plugin that is an alternative to XR Animator, and surprisingly it's worked extremely well on my existing templates. So what a great way to kind of test out different alternatives to XR Animator and see how we can communicate with our existing VTuber studio as well as the VTuber tutorial series. So if you follow along the VTuber tutorial series from the past few weeks, you will see that. Let me pull that up right now so we can have a look at the same time. So I'm just looking at the YouTube playlist really quickly. Just a second. So just pulling up, ads. Just pulling up this tutorial from the VTuber series. We've created a VTuber tutorial in Unreal Engine from scratch. So this means that you can follow each tutorial and get to a full body tracking working avatar for you to stream as a VTuber. And you can also stream to major platforms like Twitch, YouTube, and we've also included a free plugin for you to use interactivity, to get interactivity through viewer engagement from Twitch. And so I'm just going to show you quickly what we've been creating. So this is the VTuber tutorial. We'll be using the same avatar as we've been using for the last few streams and walk you through step by step how to stream, set up interactivity, use full body tracking, and it already comes with free assets and example assets. So in that tutorial series, we've covered XR Animator, but instead of that, we'll be using something called dollars MoCap today. And so I only came across dollars not too long ago. And in there, I've seen that dollars MoCap comes with several products. And one of them is the dollars Mono, which uses a single camera or video file to capture expressions, gestures, and full body movements in real time. So I believe this is something super similar to XR Animator, and it's a standalone app made in Unity. And it also integrates different communication, I think different OSC and integrations for game engines, which it uses VMC, and it also has a direct link to Unreal. I've tested dollars Mono and EGAO, and I've just downloaded them on the dollars MoCap website. So I went on their download page and downloaded dollars Mono as well as dollars EGAO. I'm just gonna try dollars Mono today as it's super similar to XR Animator, where it has single webcam capture, comes with a full body avatar to see how fingers are tracking, and then we have the face tracking capabilities. I'm gonna change my dominant eye because I'm kind of bothered about how asymmetrical my face looks. Similar to many tools that I've used, it also has, I believe these are ARKit blend shapes, so you can use them seamlessly with your ARKit compatible avatars. For now, I've used the Unity Streaming VMC protocol, which streams on 39539 port. This is super convenient because in my project in Unreal, that's the same setting. So I'm currently using the trial version, which means that the streaming will stop and start. So let's wait for a few seconds before it kicks back in. And in my project here, I've set VMC receiver to start listening already. So it's already communicating with dollars. I'm just gonna set this up side by side so you can see now it's currently working for another 20 seconds. And surprisingly, if you followed the VTuber tutorial and open up dollars Mono, click VMC Unity on, and it will just work like this. So again, obviously it will resume in 4 seconds, which is fine. But just to show you how quickly it got me to set up, it literally took me 2 seconds. And it's full body working with my existing blueprint, which is so amazing. So I really recommend trying it as an alternative to XR Animator, and we'll hopefully get our viewers some access to dollars as well. So feel free to use it. For now, thank you so much for tuning in. If you were on Discord earlier, we talked about custom face animation blueprints using XR Animator to drive kind of morph targets or custom morph targets. So I'd really recommend looking at tuning into Discord every week. But yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, and I'm gonna wait until this comes back. Right. And really nice meeting you all again, and thank you so much for tuning